We've upgraded our no-drill system. Our shades are available in both manual and motorized options. The no-drill installation system ensures a secure and stable fit even on wider window frames without the need for screws. For those who value flexibility, our day and night cellular shades allow you to switch between soft daylight and full blackout in the same window. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and media spaces. Our top-down bottom-up shades give you light from above while keeping privacy below, an ideal choice for street-facing or ground-level windows. And for those who need maximum darkness, our blackout cellular shades combine sleek design with superior insulation, helping you sleep better and stay comfortable. From manual to motorized, from compact frames to wide architectural windows, Keego cellular shades bring together secure installation, modern style, and practical performance designed to fit your life.